2025 na, may goals ka na ba? Guys, goals or goal planning is very, very important. Lalo na when you're starting a new year. Like right now, kakasimula lang ng 2025 and as a freelancer, I have to be able to create goals that will give me direction kasi and it will help me with decision making throughout the year. So everything that I do, all the decisions I'm gonna make is based on that North Star. Okay, so every year I create 5 goals, okay, that I would like to reach within the year. And these 5 goals will make an impact not just to my career but to my personal life as well, no? So when you make goals, dapat may meron for career, meron for personal life as well, no? So as you create goals, yung top five goals na yan, make sure all those goals are SMART, SMART. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung sabihin ng SMART or SMART goals? Dapat ito ay what? 'Di ba? Ano yung sabi ng S dito, Mi? Alam mo ba? Kung alam mo, comment mo diyan. 'Di ba? It should be very specific ang S, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng SMART goals. Okay? So, when you create, it has to be a SMART goal talaga. And every goal, goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3, goal number 4, goal number 5, dapat sa baba nun, meron kang strategies. Okay, for you to be able to hit that goal. Now, those strategies, yun ang i-breakdown mo every month and every week. Okay, para hindi ka like, 'di ba, hindi ka masyadong naloloka diyan, 'di ba? So, you have to be able to do that with every goal. Yung strategies naka-breakdown per week, per month, and you monitor that along the way, mga mi. No? You can put that like in any platform, pero usually dapat nakikita mo. And what's the impact, guys? Me, malalaman mo sa mga stories namin na nilagay namin sa isang full video here. Nakalagay yan dito para makita nyo. And you'll know the impact of setting goals, no, as a freelancer. Or even kahit hindi ka pa nga freelancer or virtual assistant, every person, they need goals in life. No? Na ito yung magiging direction and it will be, their anchor, their North Star, no, throughout the year. So, sana katulong tong video na to. Check this video out, no, at sana ma-inspire kayo. Thank you and have a great day. Happy New Year, guys!